it's Miss Stephanie from the Jellyfish Room. I just want to say hello to all my friends at Fort Kids. Today I am back with a bubble making activity. I know all of our friends love to do bubbles at school, and sometimes you just run out of bubble mix, especially when you can't go to the store too often. So this is a quick and easy way to make bubbles with things that are in your house. So all you need is 1.5 cups of water, a 1/2 cup of dish soap, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and a bubble wand. If you do not have a bubble wand, you can make one from things in your house. You could use pipe cleaners, you could use twisty bag ties. I made this one with aluminum foil, made a cute little design on top. You could even use a wire hanger and rebend it if you have that at home. So be creative with what you use if you don't have a bubble wand. All right, we're ready to get started. Sophia, can you please pour in the dish detergent? She has a 1/2 cup of dish detergent and she's putting it in 1.5 cups of water. And Lily has 2 teaspoons of sugar. Lily, can you put the sugar in? Good job, Sophia. Give it a mix. Mix it up really good.
Okay, Mom. Oh.
All right, girls, give it a try. See if you can blow some bubbles. Remember, gentle blow. I hope you enjoy making bubbles with your family. Remember to stay safe and be creative. Bye, everybody.